All right, today, class, we are going to start learning about images within the HTML space. So we are going to create a new repo here, and it is going to say images, and we just hit create. All right, and what we're going to want to do is we go into our body, just like everything else, and we want to start creating our image. Well, with image elements, they're a little differently than everything we've used so far. Image elements do not need a closing tag. So all we need for our image element is just the opening tag. And we say image. And then how we reference our image is we say SRC for source. So an image has the SRC attribute. This is where we assign a value to our image. And then we also have what's called the ALT attribute. Or this is where we give it a description. Okay? So our images kind of look like this. So we say image SRC equal sign, and then this is our attribute for where the actual image exists. And then this is our description right here. So let's go onto the internet and find an image. Well, I like trains, so I'm going to look up a Berkshire locomotive. That is my favorite train out there, and I want to put a picture of a train in there. So this picture is as good as any. So what I'm going to do is actually, that's a YouTube video. Let's look at this one right here. So we are going to right-click on it, and what we're going to copy is the image address. So we right-click, copy image address. And then what we're going to want to do is we're going to come over here where it says source in our SRC inside of our quotation marks here, paste our image address. Okay? And then our alt, I'm going to say Berkshire loco. So this right here is my image link. This is my description. And now if I run it, notice how we get a picture of a train that pulls up. So I copied the image address and put it in the source. Well, there's one more way we can do images within HTML. So we're going to write out the same thing. I am going to say img space src equal sign, and then in some quotations, and then we do a space alt equal sign, and then in some quotations. All right, this one, this is Utah, so let's look up Golden Spike. Okay, so this is a picture of the Golden Spike uniting, okay? Well, instead of doing a copy image address, let's see how we import pictures into Replit. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to save image as, and I'm going to call this Golden Spike. And then I hit save. Okay, and then it saves as goldenspike.jpg. Well, in order to use that within Replit, what I have to do is I need to come over here to Files, click on right here, these three dots, upload file, and then we're going to go under downloads because that's where it was, and then we're going to upload this image of Golden Spike. All right, so I have my Golden Spike uploaded, but I want it to be on my web page. Well, its name is Golden Spike with a capital G, capital S .jpg. So instead of in my source typing in the link, what I do is I just type in the file's name. So I say golden spike.jpg, and then here I'm going to say GS image for golden spike image. Okay, and then now if I run it, my golden spike picture pulls up. But notice if I forget this .jpeg, it does not work. So we have to say .jpg. All right, and then remember to upload our own images here. All we have to do is click on these three dots and just hit upload file. That's it for images today. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Once again, we do image and then src attribute, and it's only the opening tag for our total element.